Life is always connected with nature, and nature offers us not only beauty but also a special taste and feeling that brighten our life. That's why I create recipes inspired by natural fruit. Today I'm introducing my strawberry paste recipe, which made from real strawberries. Slowly stir on low heat until it becomes smooth and rich. But I didn't stop there. I brought this paste into 4 refreshing flavors you can enjoy in different ways. The strawberry paste is not just a dessert, it's a simple way to recharge afterward and a little gift from nature to yourself. I hope these recipes can bring you happiness and protect your smile the same way nature always offers us joy.